Chapter 3, Eating Habits of Animals. Get into Match the following animals with their appropriate category: herbivore, carnivore, omnivore. The world of animals is full of varieties. Different animals eat different types of food and have different ways of getting their food. The type of food an animal eats regularly makes up the eating habit of that animal. Based on their eating habits, animals can be broadly grouped into the following categories: herbivores. Animals that feed on plants and their products are called herbivores. Cow, horse, giraffe, etc. are herbivores. Cow, horse, giraffe. Infomine. Herbivores have broad back teeth with large uneven grinding surfaces. It helps them to chew and grind their food. Carnivores. Animals that feed only on the flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Tiger, lion, wolf, etc. are carnivores. Tiger, lion, wolf. Omnivores. Animals that feed on both plants as well as the flesh of other animals are called omnivores. Bear, chimpanzee, monkey, etc. are omnivores. Bear, chimpanzee, monkey. Infomine. Omnivores are opportunistic, general feeders not specifically adapted to eat and digest either meat or plant material. Find and answer. What are scavengers? Up for review. Can you identify the following animals? Number 1. A large herbivore that has a long trunk. Number 2. It is a carnivore and known as the king of the jungle. Number 3. An omnivore that can mimic humans. Special feeding habits of some herbivores. Herbivores such as cows, goats, and deer do not have any front teeth in their upper jaws. Instead, they have gum pads that helps them to eat leaves and grass. They quickly swallow their food while grazing. After some time, they bring it back into their mouths. Then, they chew it with their grinding teeth. This is called chewing the cud. Infomine. The process of chewing the cud is called rumination, and chewing the cud animals are called ruminants. Animals like rabbits and squirrels have very sharp front teeth. Such teeth help them bite into seeds and fruits. Infomine. Animals like rat, squirrel, rabbit, etc. gnaw their food. An elephant has a long trunk. It uses it to break off leaves and branches and to put them in its mouth. It sucks water with its trunk and then blows the water into its mouth. Special feeding habits of some carnivores. Some carnivores like lion, tiger, fox, and wolf chew flesh and bones, so they have very sharp pointed and curved front teeth to tear flesh. They also have strong grinding teeth at the back of their mouths. Carnivores such as snakes do not have chewing teeth to tear or chew the flesh. Therefore, they swallow their prey whole. Carnivores such as frogs, lizards, and chameleons have long, sticky tongues. They flick out their tongue to catch their prey. Once the prey is caught, they quickly roll back their tongue and the prey inside their mouth. Special feeding habits of some other animals. Animals such as butterflies, moths, and mosquitoes have no teeth at all. They have a long, hollow tube like mouth part, which is used to suck liquid food. Animals such as cats and dogs lap up water or milk with their tongue. However, they chew the solid food that they eat. Earthworms swallow the soil. The soil contains the remains of dead plants and animals as well as tiny insects. Infomine. Not all mosquitoes suck blood. Only the female mosquitoes suck blood. Male mosquitoes usually suck juices of plants as food. Food chain. We have learned that different animals have different eating habits. Herbivores eat plants. Carnivores eat some of these herbivores. Some carnivores eat other carnivores too. Hence, a chain is formed in which plants are eaten by animals who in turn are eaten by other animals. Such a chain is called a food chain. Take a look. Animals, feeding habits. Herbivores eat only plants and their products. Carnivores eat flesh of other animals. Omnivores eat both plants as well as flesh of other animals.